You all know how proud I am to be a son and a grandson of British Columbia. This was my home for a long time. From my first taste of a deluxe triple O with my grandparents in the Park Spot, to becoming a teacher in Coquitlam and in Vancouver, to exploring the North Shore Mountains with my beloved little brother Michi, to biking around the Stanley Park seawall just a few weeks ago with Sophie and our 3 kids. Some of my best memories in the world are right here in this. We launched our campaign right here in Vancouver. And today, tonight, we're back to share our plan. Moving forward as we things off the band right here in Vancouver Kingsway. And this time around, I'm joined by an incredible Liberal candidate, a woman who has pledged to use her voice to help those who need it most. Your next Member of Parliament for Vancouver Kingsway, Tamara Taylor. A household name and a mom of 3, Tamara is a fierce advocate for women's rights, and she knows the importance of giving back to this community. She's smart, she's compassionate, and she's exactly the kind of person who should be representing the people of Vancouver Kingsway. So let's go! There goes, my friends. Just look around. Look at what you've created. In 2015, you believed that we could make real change happen. You wanted a team that would work for you, not for the wealthiest few. A team that cared about the next generation, not just the next election. A team that prioritized people, not power. And together, guided by our values, we built that team. Your positivity and your energy, your hope and your hard work, we have built the most open political movement in Canada. Mes amis, on a un choix important à prendre dans les années à venir. On a une réflexion qu'on doit prendre pour faire un choix pour un meilleur avenir pour tous les Canadiens. Alors cet automne, on est appelé à choisir quel genre d'avenir on veut bâtir ensemble. En 2015, après 10 ans de politique conservatrice qui ne fonctionnait pas, l'économie canadienne était au neutre. La croissance de l'économie, la création de l'emploi, la croissance des salaires, rien ne bougeait parce que le gouvernement conservateur pensait que l'austérité était la réponse à tout. Well, in 2015, Canadians chose a team that was willing to invest in people and in their communities. We knew then, as we know now, that even though we live in the best country in the world, better is always possible. We have spent the last 4 years moving forward, and we've got the record to show for it. Poverty is way down, unemployment is at historic lows, and job creation is way up. And it's because our team rejected conservative cuts and austerity and chose to invest in the middle class and people working hard to join it. To invest in people like Katie and Andrew Jameson. Katie's the photographer, and Andrew's the owner of the Mackenzie Room, on Powell Street. With 3 young kids, they call this amazing community home. Like any parent will tell you, raising kids is busy and expensive. But thanks to the new Canada Child Benefit, Katie and Andrew now get $575 every single month, tax-free, to help them get by. This extra money helps pay for daycare and healthy groceries and gives them the breathing room they need and deserve. But it wasn't always this way. You see, before we were elected, the Conservatives kept sending child benefit checks to millionaires. We didn't think that was right. So we created the new Canada Child Benefit to help those families that actually need it. But my friends, that's not all we've accomplished together for Canadians. We also cut taxes for the middle class by raising them on the wealthiest 1%. We made the Canada Pension Plan even stronger, because in a country like ours, seniors shouldn't struggle to make ends meet. We renegotiated NAFTA, securing trade access to our largest and most important trading partner at a time of U.S. protectionism and unpredictability. To keep our air clean and our water safe with a $1.5 billion Oceans Protection Plan. Nationwide price on the pollution that causes climate change. En s'appuyant sur les progrès déjà réalisés